Hello! My name is Juselu. I am so excited to be part of Prepoli. I have strong background in education and English teaching, supported by years of hands-on tutoring experience. I've been tutoring one student for over 5 years, focusing on English, reading, and communication. Through this experience, I've learned how to make lessons engaging and meaningful, helping students gain confidence and improve step by step. My teaching style is friendly, interactive, and student-centered. I always make sure that learning is not only educational, but also enjoyable. Whether you want to improve your speaking, grammar, or writing skills, I'll guide you and support you every step of the way. Let's make learning English an exciting and rewarding experience together. See you in class!